Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo guys talkback off setting, how to turn off talkback in iqoo. So friends, you don't want to use talkback setting, you want to turn off talkback, you want to stop talkback in your iqoo. So friends, now let's see how to stop and off talkback in iqoo. First of all, use your two finger, then you can off talkback, and if you use one finger, you cannot use talkback setting. You cannot turn off talkback on your Android mobile. Use your two finger, scroll it. Open your phone setting, double tap, continue. After phone setting, friends, click your network and internet setting. Again, use your two finger, scroll down, and if you use one finger, you cannot scroll down here. You cannot use your device screen. Use your two finger, scroll down. Open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. One tap, double tap, continue. If you one tap, you cannot on setting. Double tap, continue. Setting will on. Again use your two fingers, scroll down here. Accessibility setting. Double tap here. Talkback setting press. Double tap, continue. Talkback setting is on. One tap here. Double tap, continue. Talkback will off. And now friends, you can stop talkback with double tap, continue. Talkback off, and now friends, you can use your device screen without talkback setting. One finger friends, you can scroll down, you can scroll up, and again friends, if you on talkback setting, so you cannot use your screen with one finger. And you want to on talkback watermark, you can on talkback watermark. Talkback shortcut setting you want to use, so you can use. And friends, you don't know how to use talkback, you can check here how to use talkback and how to turn off talkback. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.